So it's manufacturing time again. This is a time of the year where we invite high school students out to Richland Community College for Manufacturing Day. Manufacturing Day is an opportunity for students to come out, visit with manufacturing employers who work in the manufacturing realm and introduce students to the various jobs that they do in their workforce. The goal of the days is to just really introduce students to manufacturing, the world of manufacturing, giving them a snapshot, lens eye view of what it's like to work in this arena, and just kind of open up their minds to the world of manufacturing, should they be interested in taking that pathway once they graduate. They've got opportunities to fill out applications if they want to participate in our co-op program. I think it starts here. It starts in the schools. It starts with the exposure to the manufacturers, to these employers. It sparks the interest, and it builds the kids' confidence in showing them you can do this. And they can, and they do, and they are successful.